Hi, my name is Logan. I'm coming to you from Roller Motors Mercedes-Benz in Somerset West. I want to show you very quickly how to set the tailgate on your Mercedes-Benz. It's quite simple. First things first, open up the tailgate, pushing down on the key, and let's stop the tailgate over here. If I want to set the height, all you do is you push down on the stop button until you hear a beep from the car. And it's now been set. So let's close the tailgate. And now if we open it up, it'll stop at the preset height that we have set. If we would like to reverse this setting and ensure that the tailgate goes all the way up, push down on the button until you hear 2 beeps from the car. And now, if we open it up again, it'll go back to the original setting or the higher setting that the tailgate can go to. So let's open it up. And that is how you set the tailgate on your Mercedes-Benz. Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our YouTube account. Mercedes-Benz, the best or nothing.